Oh. Are you looking to improve your flexibility and feel more relaxed? This easy to follow yoga tutorial is for you, so please read the disclaimer and let's start. Let's start by bringing our head or ear towards our shoulder, nose is up, maybe guiding your head. And other side. Again, we're going to repeat that. This time, we're going to bring the opposite arm to the side. Other side. And big inhale up, palms together. Inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale to the side. Now the movement is right at the hips here. Side, maybe looking up a little bit. Inhale, back up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, back up. Exhale to the side, look up. Keep breathing between the cues. And back, and big chest opener. Just bend your back, maybe looking up. And exhale down. Just ragdoll your hands here, maybe catch the ground, bend your knees if you must. Big inhale, back up. Reach, reach, exhale to the side. Shoulder is open. Inhale, back center. Exhale your hands to your heart. Inhale, back up. Exhale to the side, maybe looking up. Back up and little back bend here. Careful the neck, don't send it too far back. And big inhale and exhale down for your forward fold. Flat back. And big inhale, back up. Exhale. Now let's bring the back foot, a little bit of balance here, so bend it just a little bit. If you have a wall, a chair you want to grab, you're more than welcome. And just enjoy the stretch on your thigh. Keep your legs fairly parallel towards one another. And bring that knee, exhale that up. Nice little hug, little ankle roll. Then I lost my balance, so that's okay, that's fun. Other side. Just bring your knee up. You don't need to catch the foot. If you want to catch it, feel it on the quad, maybe moving your knee back a little bit. Press your foot in your hand. Exhale down. Big inhale, exhale to your chest. Nice hug. Nice knee hug and a little ankle roll until you lose your balance. And let's go in the tree pose here. And this can be your tree pose. I'm just lifting my back heel and turning it inward, touching my ankle. Knee is open. My straight leg, the thighs spiral back. So outer spiral this. You can bring your hands in a namaste, maybe up in the air. Whatever you inspire, you want your branch on your hip, that is cool. Now you can stay like this or bring it a little bit higher. Now if you push your legs one towards the other, it helps with the balance. I'm not on even ground, but that's my excuse right now. And if you want to bring it a little higher, and your arm wherever it helps with your balance, center, and exhale down. Just need me move maybe a little bit here. Another side. We're gonna start with the easier part, just putting the heel towards the ankle and working on opening the leg out. Same thing here, your hip wants to draw back, your opposite hip. And you can stay just like that, your hands wherever it's comfy for you. All kind of ideas here where you can put your hands. And if you want to try a little higher, feel free to grab the couch here. Knees open back. And maybe coming a little bit higher, pressing the foot in the thigh and the thigh into the foot for more balance. Now, if you're like, this is very easy for you, start adding a little wind in your branch. Challenge yourself. Challenge your balance a little bit. And exhale that down. Let's go with a nice warrior. And we're gonna bring one foot back as far as you can. You know, I see warriors, they're a little too short here. We want a nice big stand. You know, as wide as it's comfortable for you. So we have a front foot, the other one's a little bit to the side. Now I'm gonna bring my knee above my ankle, thigh is open out, hips are going towards the front. Inhale your arms up, and if up for you is your hip over here, it's all good, it's all good. It's your warrior. So nice warrior. Reach, reach, reach. Inhale, exhale the arms back so my shoulders open and go back. The hands are towards one another. If they reach, great. If not, that's great too. It's your range of motion. We're gonna open the chest. Inhale and then exhale. So I'm leading with my hand and I'm taking them a little bit away from my bum just to open my chest. And my neck is very relaxed here. Make sure you're not straining your neck. It's a beautiful day, huh? Oh, this was supposed to be a film out inside. That's why I've got that little wall portion. But I couldn't resist. Now let's do the other side. Front foot, you just like you were here. Just pivot your feet. Let's bend that leg so that the knee is fairly above the ankle, maybe a little more, a little less. It's all good as long as you don't pass your toes with your knee. That's great. So I'm gonna center that a little bit. Now be comfortable in your legs. Start turning your hip towards the front. Don't force, don't force. Inhale your arms up, reach for the sky, reach, reach, reach. Inhale, exhale your arms back. Big shoulder opening, hip opener here, and exhale back. Looking up, looking down, looking to the side. Make sure your neck is not stuck somewhere. Just breathe here. I tend to bring my knee back, so I'm pushing it forward a little bit. It's hard when you don't have a mirror in the front of you, you know. Exhale, center. Nice arm rolls. I'm gonna bring my feet about hip distance apart. And I'm gonna just shift from my hip. I'm gonna turn this way. Hello. Turn the other way. Hello. Somebody's coming. Hello. Hello. So greet your guests. They're coming from both side doors. Well, hello. Hi. Hi. And there's your golf swing. Now we're gonna add to that. We're gonna add a big knee bend and then swing your golf swing. Start slowly. Make sure you always warm up. So both sides. And slow down. Big self hug here. Nice chin towards your chest. Reverse your arms. And heel toe until you're maybe like hip distance apart. My feet ended up widening during our little golf session. Inhale up, your arms up. Exhale to the side, look up. And just stay there for a moment. Just breathe. Inhale back up. Exhale, other side. Inhale back up. This time we go straight forward. And bend your knees, round your lower back. Maybe hugging your knees if you want. Maybe you want to hold the ground for balance. Maybe you're sitting on that chair. Wherever you are, just round your lower back and just collapse into your legs nicely. Little fetus here. If you want to go in child pose, you're more than welcome. And if your chair is nearby, grab it if you need it to come up, or just come up. Come up. This is great for your legs. You should practice that every day with your chair. Just go as far as you can and come back. It's so important. You don't want to be stuck there. So thank you so very much for watching. And please leave me a thumb up. It helps me so much. And let me know in the comment about your own yoga journey. Thank you so very much again. Namaste.